Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for coming back to the channel so that we can open up another mystery box together. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this one because this is a very interesting box. The first one is $750, but the other one on top of it is $200. I already know what's in this one, so it's not truly a mystery, but I kind of want to talk about this company that I have bought these boxes from, but we'll get into it right after this. All right, so on my daily Instagram time, I actually got hit up from this company called 2KICXS. They said, hey, we're kind of starting off, we're a new business and we make mystery boxes, we do membership based stuff. And so they kind of reached out and were like, hey, just want to let you know. They didn't say, hey, we want to sponsor you. Hey, we want to give you a padded box, meaning like they're going to put really good stuff in my box. But I kind of waited, I wasn't sure, and then SB Mitch, another YouTuber, if you guys haven't checked him out, go ahead and check him out. He opened up a box and it looked pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a try. So it's interesting though, because it is a membership based, you do have to pay, either you could pay weekly or you could pay monthly. I think it's like 20 bucks a month, which is really cheap. And they'll post a couple of shoes for under StockX or around StockX payout, or maybe a little beneath that. And so it's a good idea for shoes that you think are gonna go up in value, or if you just wanna get some good shoes for yourself. So that's actually a cool part of it, but they also do mystery boxes, but you also have to be a member. And so this one's $750. And then like I said, the first one on top, I paid $210. So let's just go ahead and see what's in these boxes. All right, so in this first box, we do have a pair of Jordan 1s, which I'm always happy about. These are a size 10, and in here we do have a pair of the Jordan 1, I think they're called the Biohacks. So it does come with a little card that they have. It does also have these pink, bright, vibrant laces, but this card says 2KICXS, and on the other side it does say, please inspect product and do not remove tag unless satisfied. All claims and refunds are null and void if tag is removed. And then it gives them their website if you want to submit a claim, which is cool because then if you suspect a shoe is fake, then leave the tag on, make sure you get it authenticated, because if I guess you pull it off, then you kind of already agreed to it, which is kind of like a cool, safe way to do a business thing. But yes, I paid $200 plus $10 shipping for this, so for a grand total of $210. And that's a great price for the shoe because currently I think they're going for like $260, $280, which is pretty good. So I could either flip it really quick and make like 50 bucks, or I can hold on to them and hope and see if these will rise in price over time. So not a bad shoe, not a shoe that I would particularly want to wear, just because I'm not a big fan of super vibrant colors like this. But I know a lot of people do like this shoe, and because it also is supposed to be reminiscent of a Dunk. So not a bad first pickup. And so the rest that we have is a box right here, and this is the part where we're gonna really see where the value is at. So I paid $750 for this box plus $10 for shipping for a grand total of $760. And then just so we know if we're making money off this, I'm gonna have a counter over here that's gonna list every single shoe at its current market value. One thing you do need to know about 2KICXS is that all of their shoes are dead stock. They'll never send you used shoes. They state that it's always dead stock. So at least you get to know that. So let's see how this box really is. All right, so here's a here is a sneak peek right there. Almost destroyed my living room. So the first box I'll take out, it's a pair of Kevin Durant 12s in a size 9, which at least they have the box and everything. But we do have a pair of these. I'm not entirely sure what colorway this is, but it almost looks like an icy color, but at least it's dead stock, so we can try and sell it. I think this was one of the better shoes that he came out with that people actually like to hoop in. So at least it's a good hoop shoe. So that probably means that more people are gonna wanna buy it. So definitely not bad. I know they had a decent retail price, but I'm guessing maybe like $100 for this one. So that was a size 9. If you're interested in any of the shoes that I have, then you can go ahead and check out my eBay page. The link to my eBay page will be in the description box down below. Go ahead and check it out, or you can always hit me up on Instagram at The Real Sneak Peek. So yeah, that's where you'll find all these shoes for sale. Next shoe, we do have a Kobe AD NXT in a size 10. So here we go. So another hoop shoe, another pair of Kobe's, which might do decent just because of everything that's just kind of happening around Kobe. And has to put it up with the buzzer, backs it in. All the hype that's kind of coming back, maybe for the right or wrong reasons, I don't know. I just know that I love Kobe Bryant, so that's all that I need to know. So this is an interesting shoe, another basketball shoe with, it looks like no real lacing system. You just kind of pull this tab and it should lace it up for you. I don't know how these shoes do as hoop shoes, but I would guess that they're pretty decent. And let's see, the retail price on these was pretty high at $200 for a basketball shoe. So I'm pretty sure that there's probably another $100 something in there. All right, another shoe that I do see is a pair of Jordan 1s in a size 15. Oh man, they had to do it to me. They got to give me the boats. So this one is gonna be a little bit more difficult. I did see what was in here just because the box was kind of open, but we do have a pair of these. I think these are like called the flights or something like that. I forget, but this is a ginormous Jordan 1 right here. And it's honestly a very interesting shoe. I know these ones were actually sitting at the outlets for a little while, but I think prices kind of, they didn't really go up, but they're a lot more than outlet prices now, I think. I think they're getting back to retail-ish. So, but at a size 15, I'm pretty sure it's a really hard shoe to move, which does kind of suck, but at least it's still a Jordan 1, so it's not like a terrible, terrible shoe. But it is what it is. Size 15, Jordan 1. So we got 2 more shoes in here. I know what shoe this is. This is a pair of the Jordan 4 Neons. It's supposed to be like a Air Max 95 colorway. That's exactly what we have. In a size 11, get this paper out the way. We do have a pair of these neon shoes, which I actually really like these. The quality is really great. I love the color blocking. It's supposed to be Air Max 95 neon inspired. So yeah, it's definitely a shoe I enjoy. I think they go for about retail right now. I could be wrong. The counter will always tell you if I'm right or wrong. So yeah, definitely not a bad shoe. I do love suede, so not bad. All right, so last shoe in this box. It is kind of, I think it got damaged in the on the way over here, which kind of sucks. But we do have a pair of these. I think these are called the Jordan 1. I honestly forget the nickname for these, but you just have a Chicago styled color blocking, but with gray and black, which almost reminds me of like a Baron colorway. But I know that these actually do decently well, especially because these are a grade school size 7Y. So this actually might be a pretty good shoe to sell. Mids are one of the secret shoes of resellers. I don't know if it's much of a secret now, but resellers love getting these Jordan 1 mids and just holding on to them for a while because they go from like 110, which is like their retail price, and they go up to like 200 bucks. So definitely not bad. I could hold on to this if I want to. And honestly, I could probably hold on to a couple of these other shoes if I did. They're all dead stock, so that's always good. I don't know, what do you guys think about this 2KICXS box? At least it's a company that sent me authentic shoes, and it's a company that at least gave me, for sure, I know 100% a good deal on the biohack, so that's awesome, and I wanna say thank you guys for that. I don't know what all the prices for this box is. Anyways, let's go ahead and see how this box did. So over here, we do have a counter with all of the current market value of each shoe, and combined total, it is this exact amount. And minus the box of $760, we are left with this much profit. So it seems like it's doing a pretty decent job. And honestly, it depends on how you really want to go about your shoe business. Like I could hold these if I really want to, or I could just sell them quick, try and get some money, but I'll kind of minimize my profit range, versus if I hold on to some of them, they might go up. You know, it's kind of what you want to do as a reseller. So to me, I think it was a pretty good box. It was like, honestly, I've talked with the owner and they seem really nice. They seem like very genuine people, and they're just trying to grow and build their brand. And so they're always trying to help you guys out, like you as the consumer, they want to help you out. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out their Instagram. It's at 2KICXS, and at least for me, they've been legit. Go ahead and check them out if you want to. And right before we close off, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because it is about like only 20% of my viewers are actually subscribed, which is crazy to me. Other than that, if you guys like it, it does help me and my channel grow, because when you help the channel with a thank you so much, wife, for the thumbs up. If you do give it a thumbs up, it does help because of the YouTube algorithm or something like that. It helps me get more views, and that's what I need right now, because I'm trying to reach 240,000 minutes of view time. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys continue to stay blessed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.